have youth here? Are we sure we have youth here? Do we want the elders to know that we have youth here? Is there a way we can demonstrate to them that we have youth here? Okay, let us do it by our culture. PDP! PDP! Greatest Nigerian youth! Greatest Bagba! Articulate Kiki! Fundamental Bigby! I want to yarn. I want to inform. I want to deposit. I want to articulate. I want to coalesce. Greatest Nigerian people, I want to thank every one of us today, but let me speak directly to issues. First, we thank the governor of Akwa Ibom State. Coincidentally, one of his name is Gabriel. And those that know what Archangel Gabriel in the Bible does is always a messenger of good news. Anytime Archangel Gabriel appears to you, there is good. It means as we are starting from Akwa Ibom, where the governor is Gabriel Emmanuel Udom, it means there is good news for Nigeria. Now, but to face the issues directly, the election before us is about our generation. It's about the future of this country. It's about what we want and how we want these things to be done. And again, it's about who are those people that not only have the capacity, but have the ability to deliver in this mandate. It is not an election where you talk about a candidate alone. It is not an election where you isolate a candidate from party's failure. It's an election when you are talking about candidates, you are talking about party. Now take us to Nigerians, particularly our young brothers and sisters that are not here, they are at home. I want to appeal to your consciences on 3 grounds. The first ground is, in 1999, when PDP took over government from military transition, it was from a military junta, from a democratic system. There was no foundation. There were no institutions. There were nothing on ground. But a PDP administration laid foundation, laid institution, built structures, and these structures are the structures that are still leading Nigeria till today. Again, the second aspect is, if you want to engage a man at a place of work, you either engage the man by the strength of capacity or by experience. Now again, among all the other parties parading candidates, our party, PDP, have presented 2 candidates, the presidential candidate and the vice presidential candidate. The vice presidential candidate, Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, who is not just only a governor. He has gotten himself involved in all the tiers and arms of governance. He has participated in local government. That is one tier of government. He has participated in the legislative arm of government as a senator. Presently, he is a governor and is going to be the vice president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria come May 29, 2023.